I'm Jermal Chandler, and this is Volatility 411 for Thursday, April 2nd. Yesterday we had the start of the quarter. S&P 500 was down 4.4%. I thought Joe Teagate did a good job of laying out where last time futures was around the S&P 500 futures were around the 2,500 level, and the VIX Index was a 70, and now the VIX Index still around that the S&P 500 is still around that 2,500 level, and VIX Index is around the 50. So you're seeing volatility trail off a little bit at least. This morning we had an enormous jobless claims number, about a 6.65 million jobless claims compared to a consensus 3.76. That 6.65 number already doubles up last week's number of 3.2 million. So as to be expected, things are a little bit getting worse as far as jobless claims go. Crude oil today was up around almost 30% as Saudi Arabia said they wanted to have an OPEC meeting to sort of bring balance to the oil markets. Trump said he's talked to the Saudi Crown Prince and is expecting about a 10 million cut in supply. The demand will still be lacking to some degree, as you know, we have interesting things going on with the world as far as the economy. So we'll see what happens there when they cut down the supply. We'll see how that changes things. The crux of the show here, of course, is volatility. VIX Index is a 53.5 right now. We're still in backwardation, of course. April VIX futures just below the 50 level. 10-day realized SPX volatility is just coming down below the 30-day volatility. So it's something to keep an eye on. Again, this kind of recurring theme of volatility coming in to some degree, even if the futures are lower than they were a week ago. VVIX measure implied options volatility is 152. That compares to the February 2018 time period, also compares to the August of 2015, the China devaluation of their currency period. So still relatively high, but we'll see if that tails off in the coming days. And then, of course, Friday, tomorrow, we have the non-farm payrolls coming up. So we'll see how that plays out as well. So thanks for watching.